What if I told you there's this really cool way to sideload your apps on your Quest 2 without a PC or Mac? Would you believe me?
Yes, sir.
Well, good, because that's exactly what this video is about today. Let's get into it. Yo, it's your boy JDun, and welcome back to Getting Things Done, where we motivate you to get things done through faith and relevant technology. Today, we will be speaking about a cool new way to sideload your applications, games, and apps from SideQuest on the Quest 2. It's very simple, just two things that have to happen. Number one, if you haven't already, create a developer account. I have a video that should be popping up shortly here or in the description. Number two, you got to learn how to sideload apps. So sideloading apps, you only have to do this once now. You only have to do it once, but you have to do it at least once. So there's a video as well on how to sideload apps through the Oculus Developer Hub or do SideQuest. The video should be in the description as well. When you have those first two pieces done, the rest of this is real simple. All you simply have to do is go to SideQuestVR.com, and once you're there, you want to search for SideQuest mobile application. Once you find it, you do not want to click on the release version. You want to download the experimental version. This version is going to allow you to actually sideload from within your Quest 2 without a PC. The only sideloading you have to do first is loading it into either Oculus Developer Hub, let it install, or SideQuest, either way you want to do it. But this is a really cool and simple way to get everything done on your device. Now all we have to do is simply go into the Quest 2, into the app library, go down to unknown sources as you can see me here, and open up the SideQuest application. Now once you sign in, you will be able to download and install new games or applications straight from SideQuest right on your device. Isn't that insane? Now I do want to give one caveat. The developer says that Quest custom homes are not able to be downloaded currently on a device, so you're not able to install new virtual homes yet. However, you will be able to do that really soon. The developer is working on it. You know what else is incredible? If you subscribe to the channel, if you liking, if you commenting below, and let me know how much you enjoyed this video, because you know we got a lot more content coming real soon. It's your boy JDun. I'll see you next time. Peace.